Every one of us knows something that could change someone else's life. The problem isn't lack of knowledge, it's packaging that knowledge into something people can buy and benefit from. That's the art of turning what you know into offers. Offers that help people win and allow you to earn from your experience. Step 1. Identify the transformation you create. People don't buy information, they buy results. They buy clarity, progress, and transformation. Ask yourself, what do I help people do or become? What problem do I solve that I've personally overcome? You don't have to know everything. You just have to be 1 or 2 steps ahead of the people you want to help. Step 2. Start simple with coaching. Coaching is the easiest and fastest way to start monetizing your knowledge. You don't need fancy funnels or complex systems, just a clear process that delivers results. Start small, test your process, refine it, and collect feedback. Coaching helps you validate your ideas before turning them into scalable products. Step 3. Scale your impact with courses. Once you've proven your process through coaching, it's time to scale with a course. A course is your system recorded, organized, and automated. It helps more people at once, without you having to trade every hour for income. Keep it simple. Don't overwhelm people with too much information. Your job is to make learning clear and actionable. The best courses are journeys, not encyclopedias. Step 4. Build long-term connection through memberships. Once you've built a community around your knowledge, the next level is a membership. Memberships give people continued access to you, to your content, and to others walking the same path. They turn one-time customers into long-term relationships. Your members don't just pay for information, they pay for belonging. Offer monthly training, live calls, or exclusive resources that help them stay consistent. This model builds both impact and recurring income. Step 5. Create offers that feel authentic. Many people fear selling because it feels pushy, but real selling isn't about pressure, it's about service. Your offer is simply an invitation for transformation. When you truly believe in your process, selling becomes an act of integrity. Step 6. Position your offers clearly. Confusion kills conversions. If people don't understand what your offer helps them achieve, they won't buy. Use this simple formula: who it's for, what problem it solves, what result they'll get, and how it works. Clarity builds confidence, and confidence creates conversions. Keep evolving. Your offers will grow as you grow. Your first version won't be perfect, and it doesn't need to be. Every coaching session, course module, and community chat will teach you how to serve better. And every person you help becomes part of your story. Your knowledge has value, your experience has power, and someone out there is waiting for the exact lessons you've lived through. You don't need permission to teach. You just need the courage to start. When you package your wisdom into coaching, courses, or memberships, you're not just creating offers, you're creating opportunities. Opportunities for others to grow, and for you to build a business that's as meaningful as it is profitable.